So today I'm going to try to help you guys out. I'm going to be going over 3 great starter niche fragrances. So what am I looking for when it comes to starter niche fragrances? Basically, I'm looking for niche fragrances that are relatively affordable, that have a good mass appeal, so that way you're not buying some really exotic smelling oud fragrance. Very windy. And I'm also looking for ones that are relatively easily obtainable. You can get them online, you can get them at Neiman's and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and start out with the first one. I'm kind of going to go in order from the cheapest to the little bit more expensive ones. And again, I just want to point out really quickly, these are my personal picks. These are ones that I think would be great for you to start out with. And I also want to throw out there that I don't recommend you blind buy any of these. Just because you are going to be spending some more money on these, and I don't want you to end up blind buying them, not liking them, and then blaming it on me that you don't like it, because I have had people do that before. So let's go and start off. First one, Mancera Cedrat Boisé. Now this was actually my first niche fragrance, believe it or not. I bought this one I think last winter. This was my first niche fragrance, and it was a blind buy. Again, don't recommend you doing that. Blind buying is a horrible idea. No one should do it except for me. That's a joke, by the way. This is a great fragrance, guys. It gets compared to Aventus a lot. I've done a whole video on that. I've talked about that multiple times. This really is nothing like Aventus. It's fruity, it's woodsy, but it goes in a completely different direction. This is more of like a candied sweet fruit with nice supporting woods. I really enjoy this fragrance a lot. Do I like it better than Aventus? No, but it's not really like Aventus, so it's kind of hard to compare that anyway. This stuff performs great. It's extremely versatile. You can wear it any time of the year. Again, this is more of a spring and summer fragrance because of how fruity it is, but like I said earlier, it's extremely versatile because it has this woody dry down, and it also performs very well. I get over 10 hours with this fragrance every time I wear it. It also projects really strongly, so performance is no slouch. You could easily wear this a lot in the winter. And again, like I said, I got this one in like December, I think, and I wore it a lot in the winter. So very versatile, very good stuff. As far as pricing goes on this retails for $180. Don't pay retail for it. A lot of times FragranceNet will have this for sometimes $60 or $70 for the 120 ml. And that is a steal of a price for a niche fragrance. That's like in designer territory, right? So very inexpensive to get. I know websites like fragrancebuy.ca has it for around $100, which is again still very affordable, but I would recommend that you hold off until FragranceNet runs their deals where they have these for like around $50 to $60, $70. And another option, you can pick this one up on the Facebook groups. A lot of times people will be moving these there for around that price, sometimes a little bit more expensive. So this is my first pick, Cedrat Boisé. Again, this is the one that I personally started out with, and it's kind of catapulted me into the niche world. Up next, we have a Creed. This one is, of course, Green Irish Tweed. This is a great one if you're looking to get into niche altogether, or if you're looking to get into Creed specifically. Either one, this is a great fragrance for that. I personally didn't start out with this one as my first Creed. I think I started out with like Millesime Imperial or something like that. But still, this is a great scent, whether, again, you're looking to get into niche in general or just Creed. This is a very clean, green, easy to wear scent with good performance on my skin. I don't know how to explain this. I'm pretty sure everyone knows what this smells like for the most part, or at least has a general idea of what it would smell like. And this would be a great one to start out with. It's very versatile, very easy to wear, and again, it performs good on my skin. People around you are also going to enjoy it a lot, so just a really easy one to wear. I think this is one that everyone should have in their collection. As far as pricing goes, it's kind of all over the place. Obviously, retail for this stuff is like $400, even more than that, but you can get these for well under that. I picked up this bottle off of eBay, which got like probably right around here on the level, for like around $100. You can find great deals on these as long as you're careful, you know what you're looking for, you know how to spot a fake, so on and so forth. I did a whole video on that. I'm not going to get into it, but you can find good deals on these. You can buy these on discounters. They're going to be more expensive on discounters. You can buy it on eBay. Again, you can get some good deals there. You can also buy it off Facebook groups. So this stuff is pretty easily obtainable online. Again, don't pay the retail price for it. Just do some shopping around, shop smart, and pick it up online for anywhere from around $100 to $150, depending on the bottle size. This 4-ounce bottle, 120 ml, is discontinued, so the prices on these ones are going to start going up if they haven't already. But you can get the 100 ml newer bottles, the 75 ml bottles for quite a bit less. So that's probably the route I would go. So Green Irish Tweed, can't go wrong with this one, and it would be a great one to start out with. All right, and the last pick I have for you today is MFK Petite Matin. This is a great citrusy scent. It's got orange blossom, it's got lemon, it's got musk, and it's just a very nice citrusy summer fragrance. Now this one, as far as price per mil, is probably going to be the most expensive on this list. It comes in a 70 ml bottle, which is this size, and it's a little bit up there in price. So this is one that you would definitely probably be best sampling. Again, this is a very safe scent. If you like citrus scents, you're probably going to like this. Everyone around you is going to like this. It's just a nice scent. It's gotten me compliments. Performs decently, not the best, but not bad either. And it's just a great scent, easy to wear. It is mainly a spring and summer scent, but still a great one to start out with if you're trying to get into the more higher end of niche and you want to start off really strong, or if you're looking to just get into MFK in general. Again, this would be a great one to start out with. It's very easy to wear, very mass pleasing, and it's just a very nice, safe, clean scent. Another one from MFK that would be a good starter niche fragrance would be Aqua Universalis. That's a very clean scent, easy to wear. I don't have a bottle of it yet, but that would be another great one as well. Again, I recommend you sample these. You can get an MFK starter sample set, something like that online, so you can smell all of them. But this would be a great one. Again, easy to wear, nice clean citrus scent. This will be my third pick if you're wanting to get into niche and you want to spend a little bit more, go a little bit more high end. This one's MFK Petite Matin. So guys, that's gonna do for this video. That are my 3 picks for starter niche fragrances. Let me know down below which ones you started out with if you've been into niche. And as always, don't forget to hit that like button. Also don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss my posts. Helps me out, helps you out, dropping content almost every day. Here to help you guys smell great. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.